Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to cut a Harley Davidson emblem from wood using a CNC machine. Harley Davidson is a brand synonymous with American motorcycling, and with the help of a CNC machine, we can create a precise and accurate replica of their iconic emblem. So, let's get started. Step 1. Gathering the materials. The first thing you'll need to do is gather the materials. You'll need a piece of wood, preferably a hardwood like oak or maple, a CNC machine, and a design file for the Harley Davidson emblem. You can find design files online or create your own using software like Adobe Illustrator or AutoCAD. Step 2. Preparing the wood. Once you have your design file, it's time to prepare the wood. Cut your wood down to size, and then sand it to a smooth finish. This will ensure that your design is cut accurately and will look its best once it's finished. Step 3. Setting up the CNC machine. Now it's time to set up the CNC machine. Load your design file into the machine's software, and then secure your wood to the machine's bed. Make sure the wood is securely fastened, so it doesn't shift during the cutting process. Step 4. Cutting the Harley Davidson emblem. Once your machine is set up and your wood is secured, it's time to start cutting the Harley Davidson emblem. The CNC machine will follow the design file and cut the emblem out of the wood with precise accuracy. This process can take some time, depending on the size and complexity of your design. Step 5. Finishing touches. Once your machine has finished cutting the emblem, it's time for some finishing touches. Sand the emblem to remove any rough edges or imperfections. You can also stain or paint your emblem to give it a finished look. Conclusion. And there you have it, your very own Harley Davidson emblem cut from wood using a CNC machine. This project is a great way to create a unique and personalized piece of motorcycle memorabilia. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more projects like this. Ride safe.